Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your video a little bit more high quality using Winxvideo AI. So here I'm just going to drag the file to load the video. Just going to do that real quick. It's like around 10 seconds. This is the trial version, by the way, so I'm just going to wait for it to load the video. This is just to enhance the video. Okay, so here you're going to select enhance video. Down here, just going to wait for it to load again. So just be patient with me here. Okay. Once you've done that, this is the before and that's the after. You can just export it here. So this is where it's going to be exported to. And then I can't. Okay, just press run here and that is it. Let's see the after of what it's going to look like. Apparently it takes a long time. Here it takes 5 minutes. Please be serious. Okay, I guess I'll be back when it's done. And this is what the before and after looks like. I actually don't know. I think this is the before and this is the after. I'm not sure. But yeah, that is how you can enhance your videos. I think it's already been exported. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Okay, sorry, this is the more enhanced one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.